In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off message option on your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it's done, tap right here to go to menu. After that, first off, we need to switch from our Facebook profile to that page. To do that, just tap right here at that arrow and then select your page. After that, go to menu again and then tap at that gear to head over to settings and privacy. And now we need to use search to search for message, just like that. That's how we can easily find that option, allow people to message your page. Now I'm just gonna tap on it, and that's where we can easily turn off message option on our page simply by turning off this button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.